What's up? We're gonna be fixing this thing, putting it back together, and making it look good again. Let's go. Alright, here they are. The wings, the fenders, whatever you want to call it. They're already kind of primered. They're already primered. They've been rolled, and my brother's been working on them. He wanted to initially paint them off the car, but I kind of convinced him to put it back on so we can see here, so we can see these lines that don't match up, and we can gap them nicely, and then I'll finish them off. Today it will just be put the car back together day, but we're gonna try to gap the lines correctly and get it ready for paint. Okay, as you saw, sheesh, it took forever. See, the lines are okay on this side. I mean, this car's been crashed. We rebuilt the front radiator support, so if it's not lined up correctly, I mean, this is as good as it gets. Still has this fat gap here, and I think what we'll do is we'll move the whole headlight this way. These gaps are good. I mean, good enough. That's it. This is it right here. He has JDM Ziki bumpers for it. Looks pretty good for what it is. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Say hi. What the hell are you doing?
Fixing a nut you broke.
Man, it's the other way, right? No, you're going the wrong way.
Trying to.
Oh. I don't think it's gonna work.
No.
We're just gonna have to drill it out, man.
Yeah, small drill bit.
So how's your channel coming?
It's alright.
Did you just upload your second video?
Yeah, the second video's up, so go and check it out.
What's it about?
Just cleaning my car. Kind of boring, but
That's good.
It's a first intro, you know.
Yeah.
Still gonna introduce my car too, so that video is gonna come. That one should be pretty fast, so it's not so boring. But
That's cool.
other than that, then the vlogs should be coming up after that.
Cool. Yeah, so I try to take this off so that I can adjust it this way, but I kind of felt it right when I did it that it was gonna mess up. So one of two things: either drill it out, re-weld the new nut in the back, or rib nut it. But I think we're gonna try our best to get that out first. Damn. All right, so what is this?
It's like jacked up. It's broken too.
It's like a reversal tool, right?
Yeah.
There it goes. Yeah, do it.
See, you got it. Oops. Oh, it's working though. Just gotta.
That's it.
That's
It's hella stuck. You wanna put the huge gun on?
No, you just use the tool to actually
Oh.
hooks up to that.
All right. Wait, so you're just gonna use your hand?
Yeah. Oh, it's fun a little.
It's there, it's coming out, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Let's see if this will work. See, it's too skinny.
You don't have another set, you said? Didn't you have another set?
Yeah, well, those sucked. Maybe this? No.
Why? Why bolts? Oh yeah. Hit it back towards you and then yeah. Oh man, threads are kind of fucking.
There you go.
Oh,
Got it.
all right.
Now we could actually
Tap.
tap it, but gotta clean these. Damn, it's all jacked up.
Fuck it, let's tap it, dude.
The thing about these taps is they're metric, but they're never the right size.
Yeah.
It's stupid. You know what you could do? Tap it with the bolt.
Try to put one in. I got a lot right here.
Let's get a running one so you can look it up.
Yeah, mess it up right there. Does it look like it's fitting?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it turns it on. Oh,
Oh, it's good.
all right.
Problem solved.
Watch this one break in there.
Oh,
That was
leave it.
Dude, that was
Jeff's issue now.
Jeez. Huh. By hand, huh?
Seems alright. Don't look at it though. It's just. Damn. It's part of the car now, right?
Yeah, it's a charm. It's called charm.
Should we just put one on now?
Yeah, just throw one on there. Who cares?
Throw this one away.
Try to move it this way, and we were like, what? We need to drill this one out? No, it still has space. What? Maybe it's this one, but nope, it's this. This is touching this, so we're gonna flatten this one out. We're gonna take that one out and flatten it, and then we're just gonna move this way.
Ooh, here you do it.
Here. Just hold this right. Hold the camera.
could drill it. But...
Oh, we should drill this.
Yeah, that's what I said. You drill that.
Oh, let's drill that instead then.
Yeah, and just widen it.
Yeah, you're genius.
The smart one.
Okay, let's do that. All right, so what are you doing?
Taking out the headlight so we could drill out this, whatever you call it, hole.
Little hole.
Shit.
Oh, sorry. We'll get it later.
Think that's good? Will it hold itself?
Yeah, that's good. Get in there for. Oh shit.
Look how clean that is.
Did it go any further?
Yeah. Clean it up. That should be good.
Let's try it. Should we primer it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta paint this whole engine bay anyways. Oh! That's how you paint, guys, right here.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, like it. Like it.
Pro.
I didn't even get the metal. Oh, that's good right there.
Way
Let
too
that
good.
dry now.
Alright guys, so waiting for that paint to dry. I'll show you guys around the garage. Some flares from my Uncle Michael. Shout out to Uncle Michael. I'll put his Instagram in, his information in the description. He hooked this up right here. Some CBY style flares. Here goes our little stash of steering wheels. The RA Celica. My brother's steering wheel. Got it from Get Japan. If you guys need anything, hit up Get Japan. They shipped it out really quick to him. Super happy with it. This is another project that we're working on. Maybe someday we'll work on it, because everything is like, damn, why is that light on? Look. Oh well, I'll turn it off later. But we're gonna throw beams in here someday. What's up? All right, just ate dinner. It was good. So this is it. After a long battle with the front end. Look how freaking nice that is. Damn, son. Let me show you. Good stuff, huh?
Looks good, dude.
Look at this. These gaps. Good gaps. This line lines up with that line for the most part. This hood was a little raised. This portion was raised, but
my fat ass.
Mad Dog Garage's fat ass just pushed it down. It's like this. That's a DIY. Whoa, damn. Dang, we just need a fat model. Dude. Hey. It's nice and gapped here. Look at that. Damn. And this is the how did they say it? Pièce de résistance. Look at this.
This guy right here though, it doesn't.
That's like the London look. That's a London look right here.
Can you even push it up?
You probably could. But look, damn, before it wasn't this good. This line follows right here all the way down. Even gaps now. Woo! So good. So good. Look at that. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.
Would you rub your